Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. Last week was very messy both in DFM and ADX. Let's start with the DFM market index. I am on the weekly chart. We are looking at the higher time frame. Now, very interesting price action on the weekly chart. The trend no doubt is still to the upside, but yes, we are seeing some weakness in this uptrend. Why is it? Let's analyze from here. Right from this area, market started its rally. We saw 3 weeks of correction and then we saw a strong momentum to the upside. And here it took a pause for 1 week. Something very important to notice here is after 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 weekly green candles, we saw only one red candle. And then after 2 weeks, again we are seeing a red candle. So what I'm trying to tell you here is after a big rally, we are seeing a small correction. But after a small rally, again we are seeing a weekly correction. And recently, just after 1 week of rally with this green candle, very next week we are seeing correction. So it means now buyers in the market are drying up. Why is it? Because they are not able to sustain. After a short rally, immediately we are seeing correction. Whereas previously we used to see a nice rally and then correction, a big momentum to the upside, a small pause. But for now on the weekly chart, clearly we are seeing buyers are losing the steam. And now let's go to the daily and see how the chart is looking. And this is the daily chart for Dubai financial market. As I mentioned, overall trend is still to the upside. A recent rally was from 4,140 area, a nice bull run till about 4,290, and then we are seeing for the last 3 days market is correcting itself. We cannot say that this is a downtrend or the beginning of the downtrend yet. It's too early. We can only classify this as a correction phase of this move to the upside. Even if we use our fib retracements and if we look at the swing low and this is the swing high, so we can see it has corrected till about 50% of this move to the upside. This is the fall and this fall is only 50% of this move to the upside. And it has taken a bounce exactly at the golden ratio of Fibonacci retracement at 4,210, that is 50% correction. And if this zone does not hold, the next golden ratio of Fibonacci retracement is at 4,191 points. That would be roughly 60% correction of this move to the downside. So for now, DFM market index is for surely in a correction phase. No, we cannot call it yet it's in a downtrend. Overall, still it's maintaining its higher highs and higher lows. Trend is still to the upside. If at all, we can see some bounces from the support areas. As I have mentioned, this is strong support that is between 4,185 and 4,200. Then there are good chances market index will try to revisit 4,290 to 4,300 area. So coming week will be very important. If at all it can sustain above the support, then yes, it's still in bullish territory. On the negative side, if it breaks and goes below 4,140, then this will be in bearish territory. Then there are chances that it may start a fresh trend to the downside. Hopefully we don't see that scenario. I want to see a continuation in the market to the upside. Let's check out ADX index. This is the weekly chart of Abu Dhabi Securities Exchange Index. Yes, it is looking scary. Right from the top, from about 9,840, we are seeing red candles. It's just declining. Last closing is below 9,300. On the weekly chart, no doubt it's bearish. We did not see a follow through after this green candle. If you are watching my analysis regularly, I have been mentioning if at all market wants to be bullish, I want to see a closing above 9,600 so that we can say now the market index is in bullish territory and from here there are chances it may visit 9,900 again. So overall on the weekly chart, yes, ADX index is very negative when compared to DFM. I will go down to daily and here also we can see in last 2 sessions, that is Thursdays and Friday session, we are seeing it broke important support of 9,360 to 9,380. We were seeing some sort of relief in this zone, but in Thursday session it broke this support area. Clearly this big red candle indicating buyers were not present in this zone to defend the area. And as I had mentioned, there are chances it may even go down further till about 9,245, that is next support, and in case if it does not hold here, then next area of support is at 9,160. Overall, ADX index is in a strong downtrend. We are seeing tremendous selling pressure, especially in multiply. Right from the peak, almost all red candles till about 9,330. Early signs were seen here that yes, there are chances of reversal from here. That too I had mentioned, if at all it goes above 9,600 level, that's when we will call it a fresh trend is about to start. It gave up right at 9,430 area. We are seeing a new leg to the downside. This is very scary. For now, we are seeing bloodbath in ADX market. So if at all I have to summarize, DFM market is under correction phase. ADX market is in a strong downtrend. Hopefully it recovers soon. For now, I would not recommend to buy any stock. It would be very tricky and risky at the same time. It would be like catching a falling knife. So be in cash, protect your capital. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.